Guided practice independent and word problems. Here we go. 14-3, page 753 of your math books, and also it's on Pearson. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so bar diagrams. Remember, this plus this equals the top number. Says Rody plans to ride his bicycle for 55 minutes. So far, he's ridden 29 minutes. How many more minutes does he have to ride? All right, so if we have a bar diagram, it's this plus this equals this, or big number minus the smaller number equals the missing number. So 55 minus 29, 5 minus 9, uh-oh. More on the floor, can't go. So you gotta borrow. Take 1, give 10. Take 1, give 10. Take 1, give 10. 15 minus 9, that's 6. 4 minus 2, that's 2. 26 is the missing number. Numero dos. Miss Darren spends the reading period working with 2 different reading groups. She meets with the first group for 23 minutes, second group for 17 minutes. How long is the reading period? Okay, so she already has 23 marked. Okay, she wants 17 more, okay? So there's no little tick marks on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add it the old-fashioned way. 3 plus 7, oh, forgot my plus sign, is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus that is 4. So on here, we're gonna take the little arrow and extend it to 40. And that's where we're going to end right there, 40 minutes. Okay, next, number 3. Claire and Owen played video games. The first game lasted 24 minutes. After the first game, Claire and Owen had lunch for 30 minutes. The second game lasted 36 minutes. How many minutes did they play the game? Okay, you see this lunch right here? This is extra information. The lunchtime break does not factor into our problem. Okay, here's a bar diagram. This plus this equals this. Okay, so we're going to do 24 plus 36. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry my 1. And that's 60. They've been playing that game for an hour. It's time to take a break for those kiddos and go play outside. Okay, number 4. Jan jogged for 60 minutes on Friday. Dino jogged 12 fewer minutes than Jan. Both of them swam for 40 minutes each week. How many minutes did Dino jog? All right, so we know that Jan jogged the entire time. Okay, this is Jan. Now Dino jogged 12 fewer minutes than him. Okay, so he is somewhere right here. So we're gonna do 60 minus 12. Okay, that's what fewer means. And this swimming right here, this is extra information. Okay, so fewer means subtract. So we're gonna take 1, we're gonna give 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4, 48. So we're actually gonna be right here. Okay, and that's Dino. There you go. Number 5, Miss Hart's class is putting on a play. The play is divided into 2 acts. Each act is 27 minutes long. How many minutes long is the play? You can do a bar. This plays 27. This plays 27. How many is it? So you add them up. And we have 7 plus 7 is 14. Boop, boop. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 54 minutes. Okay. Last one on the independent practice page. A chef wants to bake a meal for 30 minutes. So far, the meal has been baking for 12 minutes. How many more minutes does the meal need to bake? Okay. All right, and now I'm going to do a bar diagram for this one. Okay, so wants to bake for 30 minutes. He already baked 12 minutes. How many more minutes does he need? So this is your bar diagram. Your big number minus your little number is going to equal your missing number. So you're going to do 30 minus 12. Bloop. Oh no, more on the floor. Can't be done. 0 minus 2 can be done because the bottom number is bigger than the top one. So you're going to take 1, give 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. 18. That's the missing number. Okay? On to the word problems. Ba, 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 ba. Miss Merrill spends 55 minutes washing all the windows in her 2-story house. She is awesome. How much time could she have spent on each floor? Complete the chart to show 3 different ways. Okay? So this is just your addition combinations. Okay? So we have 25 plus some number is going to equal 55. All right, so I'm going to subtract it so I can see the answer and you can see it, okay? So that's 30. So 30 plus 25 equals 55. Then I can switch them around if I wanted to and do that one. I can also do 10 minutes here and I could do 45 minutes here. Any two, you could have had different answers. Any two numbers that equal 55. So this is like a big bar diagram right here. So this plus this equals the top number. Okay? Harry measures a pencil that is 4/2 inches. Ray's pencil is 6/2 inches. Who is bigger? 4/2 or 6/2? Okay? So if the bottom number is the same, then you have to look at the top number. Okay, this is halves and this is halves. So I have more halves here than more halves here than I have here. The alligator's hungry, so he's going to eat the 6/2. Mr. Collins is learning to drive a truck. He drives 22 minutes on Monday, 14 minutes on Tuesday. Finally, he drives 6 more minutes on Wednesday than he did on Tuesday. Oh, okay, I got to remember this. Tuesday, 14 minutes on Tuesday, 6 more. Okay. How many total minutes did he practice truck driving? Well, I know for sure on Monday it was 22. I know for sure on Tuesday it was 14. On Wednesday, he did 14 plus 6 because it says he did 6 minutes more on Wednesday than Tuesday. Okay? So 14 plus 6 equals 20. So 22 plus 20, that's 42. And then 42 plus that 14, equals 56 total minutes. Now we're down to the Common Core assessment. The kids and I know that these are the most important because these are the ones that are like the ones on the test. All right, Miss Sonia. She is a very athletic lady, and she's going on Mount Baldy. Dun, 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 dun. It takes her 25 minutes to hike to a cliff that is part way up the mountain. After that, she hikes for 17 more minutes. Ooh, more. Okay. How many total minutes does she spend hiking? Do a number line to show the problem. All right, number line. Doo-doo-doo. So we are doing, I'm going to do by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And we're going to start at 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is where she did the hiking. That's the hiking. And then this would be 30. 35, 40, and 45 if I need it. There we go. All right, so 25 is on the first part, 17 more. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 right here. That would be 42 because 2 past 40. All right, and this would be the 17 more. Okay, so if it's 5, 10, 15, 1, 2 to make 16, 17, 2 past 40. I know that's 42 minutes. Then it says solve the problem. Well, because they showed us how to do the board diagrams, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So 25 plus 17, that's the board diagram. This plus this is equal to the top number, which is 42. Okay? All right, last Common Core problem. Okay? We have Miss Meg. She has a doggy named Shep. She walked him for 12 minutes. Then she walked Sparky. Oh, Shep and Sparky. Finally, she walks Brownie. Meg spends 52 total minutes walking all the dogs. How much time does she spend walking Sparky? Sparky was the only one we don't know. Draw a bar diagram to show the problem. Okay, everything inside of the bar is what you add. The number at the top is the total. So 52 is my total. Okay, we know Shep was 12. She has 3 dogs, so I made 3 slots. Then we know Brownie was 18. And we don't know Sparky. Okay? Now, it doesn't say solve it in here. So down here, I'm going to add the 2 dogs that we know about in here. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 1, 1, 1, that's 3. 30. All right, so 30 is Mr. Sparky. Now, 52 minus 30. 10s are our friends. So 2 minus 0. 5 minus 3. There we go. Oops. This is supposed to be 22. Sorry. All right, so 22 minutes for Sparky. Mr. Sparky. I'm drawing while looking at my phone. That's why his nosy looks funny. There we go, Mr. Sparky. Dun, dun, dun. All right, kiddos. Well, that was 14-3 all done. I hope y'all got it together. Love y'all. Bye.